Hi guys, today I'm going to be creating this super cute piece of art inspired by this space artwork I found on the internet. So let's do this. To start, I took watercolor paper and created a space background using like blues and purples and like spacey colors. After I've done that, I take the watercolor paper and I cut it out in the shape of a bun. I then cut out a piece of white paper and a piece of black paper. Then I fit them together to form a figure looking to the side. I then tape the watercolor paper where I want it, remove the white part, and splatter paint with white paint to create kind of a starry background. And after I was done with this, I didn't really love the outcome, so I just decided to redo it. I started over, painted again, and this time it looked like stars. Now I'm arranging my paper pieces and gluing everything down. After everything's glued, I wait for it to dry. After everything's dry, I use a pencil to draw on details and then go over everything with a permanent marker. After I've done that, my cute little creation is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!